This is the Lone Crater YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You begin by securing your data and license. This prevents loss and activation headaches. Once done, verify your PC supports legacy/UEFI settings for Windows 7 and note secure boot state. Make a bootable USB with the official Windows 7 ISO using Rufus or similar and label it. You'll also locate the product key and any vendor driver packages. Now reboot into firmware settings because you must change boot mode and disable secure boot before you continue to the installation step. You will now perform the core installation steps. Boot from the prepared USB and select Custom Install to control partitions. Once done, delete or format the Windows 10 partition so Windows 7 installs cleanly. Make sure you have the correct partition selected. If Windows 7 lacks storage drivers, load them from a secondary USB during setup. Also adjust SATA mode in BIOS if required. After files copy and reboot cycles, enter your product key and create the primary user account to finalize the install. You finish by installing chipset, graphics, network, and other OEM drivers so hardware works reliably. Install one driver at a time and reboot as needed. Once drivers are in place, run Windows Update until no critical updates remain, then restore your backed up files and install your applications. Make sure to activate Windows with your product key. If you run into issues, like missing drivers, no network, or activation failure, check BIOS boot mode. Re-enable/disable secure boot, and confirm you used the correct addition key as a key troubleshooting tip.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.